positive here, and the negative in the middle of this. So and then that to
Can we give you power right now, teacher?
yeah.
All right, power's coming.
So
The plug is not working, the upper one.
power is not.
Huh? How'd you know that doesn't work?
Oh wait, I just saw it flash.
You know it doesn't work there at the top? Oh.
So
Yeah, like this.
Oh, it's loose? So we have a switch on the other side. We have a giant capacitor. We have a resistor, and we have a LED. What else we got? We got 2 LEDs.
yeah, one is going forward, the other one is going reverse direction. So,
Oh. So we're gonna see some lights and some
so
juice.
You can see it would light up. So it would like 4 or 5 volts. So it would light up for a while, and then so once it's charged, this would turn off.
Oh.
So basically, this would look like it would charge. It would go through this. It would go through the capacitor, and then so once the capacitor gets the voltage of the supply voltage, there's no current going in. So it's not going to go in that direction.
Say that slowly. Say it slowly.
But
Okay, so I got the power supply. It's gonna go,
so.
and then tell me the part where it doesn't charge anymore.
Here, right? That's going to go. It will charge the capacitor. The capacitor is like basically something which collects charge, right?
Yeah.
So and then it's building voltage. It
Yep.
build the voltage. When it reaches a certain point, you have the same voltage as this. So
And no more
it
flow.
supplies the same voltage, and then the current would be what?
Stop.
Ah, okay, got it
So,
now.
when you do superposition, you have one source here, the other source here. There are people, there is no current, right?
Got it.
And then, so what I'll do is, I will turn on this thing, and then I'll bring another wire.
So the LED is not considered.
Unidirectional.
Yeah, I know that, but
You want to reference the
it
current?
doesn't have a voltage drop.
The voltage drop.
But like, why do we need the resistor?
The resistor is just the time constant, so you make it less. I mean, it's like it slows the flow of current.
Oh, so you can see the light turn on.
Right. So
Otherwise, you won't. It'll just
it will, yeah, it will charge right away.
instantly.
I'm trying to see. Okay, so now it's charged. Should light up the other one.
Maybe it's not the same.
So it's supposed to go into this one. Okay, this is forward. This is opposite direction. So. Did I blow this thing?
Why isn't it working?
Okay, so it's lighting up. So let me get another LED.
I think I hit my sugar intake for the day. Woo.
Yeah. Okay, so let's try another LEDs. So one of them works. So this is forward biased. Positive and negative.
Ooh, I see some colors.
And then so I can increase the voltage. It will shine a little bit more.
And then I'll put the other ones on opposite direction, so I'll wait till the other one charges. So one distant charge. So let's see if I turn the switch off. Okay, so let me disconnect this and then we connect it directly. Charge and more time discharge.
Oh, so you think the discharger just couldn't see it?
Is it? You disconnect? You disconnected? Hmm? Disconnect. What? Oh, disconnected. Yes. Okay, so without the stats, let's do. So this is power, this is negative, so we connect the negative, which we should. The voltage is not that much. Too much. So this is 100s.
Without the ohms?
Hmm?
Hey, is today like the last class or something?
Selection.
Oh, that's why we're having a party?
Well, some Raya retired.
Rising.
Who?
Somebody that was.
Rising.
Oh.
She's in. She's like a support.